Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Khushbu Nas. I am from Faculty of Education enrolled in B.Ed 1.5 second semester. My presentation topic is consideration and research assigned by respected Sir Amjad Ali Arain. So first of all, what is ethical? Ethical is the objective that describe moral principle, right behavior, good character. Ethics is an ethos or way of life. The most common way of defining ethics is norms for conduct that distinguish between acceptable and unacceptable behavior. Ethics is defined as a moral philosophy, a code of morals practiced by a person or group of people. What is consideration? Consideration is the cognition, contemplation, and thought. So, the meaning of ethical consideration and research is that in the process of research, there should be cognition and consideration of moral principles, right behavior, and ethical codes, both for researcher and participants. Here is the ethical principles. There are a number of ethical principles that should be taken into account when performing research. This ethical principle stress the need to do good, known as beneficence, and do not harm, known as non maleficence. Obtain informal consent from potential research participants. Minimize the risk of harm to participants, protecting anonymity and confidentiality. Avoiding deceptive practices, providing the participants the right to withdraw from your research. Importance. Why it is important to adhere to ethical norms in research. First, norm promote the aim of research, such as knowledge, truth, and avoidance of error. For example, prohibition against fabricating and falsifying or misrepresenting research data promote the truth and minimize error. Ethical standards promote the values that are essential to collaborative work, such as truth, such as trust, accountability, mutual and respect, and fairness. For example, many ethical norms in research, such as guidelines for authorship, copyright, and patenting policy, data sharing policies, and confidentiality rules in peer review, are designed to protect intellectual property interest while encouraging collaboration. Questions of morality and ethics can be found at all levels of society. Ethical behavior is equally important in the workplace as it is in our personal lives. Everywhere business is conducted, ethics matters. Moral rules are important. These rules of universal rules. They apply to everyone, everywhere, and are recognized by everyone as being necessary. Morals are objectives. They do not consider personal preference. Right is right and wrong is wrong. Morality affect others people. Morality involves considering the well-being of other as reflected by the golden rules. Do good to others without return. In short, ethical consideration forms a major element in a research. The researcher needs to adhere to promote the aims of the research, imparting authentic knowledge, truth, and prevention of error. Ethical norms in research. Ethical norms also serve the aim or goal of research and apply to people who conduct scientific research or other scholarly or creative activities. First, norms promotes the aims of research. such as knowledge, truth, and avoidance of error. Second, since research often involves a great deal of cooperation and coordination among many different people in different disciplines and institutions. Thirdly, many of the ethical norms help to ensure that researchers can be held accountable to the public. Fourth, ethical norms in research also help to build public support for research. People are more likely to fund a research project if they trust the quality and integrity equally. Finally, many of the norms of research promote a variety of other important moral and social values such such as social responsibility, human rights, animal welfare, compliance with the law, and public health and safety rights. Ethical norms in research. The ethical standards promote the values that are ethical, essential to collaborative work, such as trust, accountability, mutual respect, and fairness. For example, many ethical norms in research, such as guidelines for authorship, copyright and patenting policies, data sharing policies, and confidentiality rules in peer review, are designed to protect intellectual property interest while encouraging collaboration. Most researchers want to receive credit to their contributions and do not want to have their ideas stolen or disclosed prematurely. Harms of unethical consideration. If these standards are not observed, these make different types of harms. Such type of harms is physical harm to participants, psychological distress and discomfort, social disadvantage, harm to participant financially status, an invention or harm of participants' privacy and anonymity. Conclusively, we can say that ethical consideration is one of the most important part of the research. Research participants should not be subjected to harm in any ways. Respect for the dignity of the research participant should be prioritized. Full consent could be should be obtained from the participants prior to the study. If there is no ethical consideration, the unethical harms will demolish the structure of research and the process of research will slow down and finally collapse. Therefore, avoid the harms because these ethical lapses in research can significantly harm human and animal subject, student, and public. Thank you for watching and listening.